Right, we're looking at solving rational equations, which are equations that have fractions in them. And this isn't a new topic. These particular problems come almost straight out of beginning algebra chapter 2. So this is something you should not have trouble with, but it's also something you may not have done for a few years. So I do want to review these and then get on to the college algebra level ones. Like I said, rational equations have fractions in them. We don't like fractions. I don't like fractions. So the first thing I want to do to fractions is get rid of them. Fractions are caused by division, right? 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by t. The way to get rid of division is to multiply. So if I want to get rid of divided by 4, I'll multiply by 4. To get rid of divided by 5, I multiply by 5. And to get rid of divided by t, I'm going to multiply by t. And I'm going to multiply the whole equation by 20, because that's 4 times 5, t. Now the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to distribute right across the equal sign and across the plus sign. So I got 1, 2, 3 chunks here. I'm going to multiply each one by 20t. And the way I'm going to think about this, you're free to do it differently if you want. But the way I think about this is I've got to multiply the 20t times this and divide by 4, but I can do that in the reverse order. So I'm going to say 20t divided by 4 is 5t times 1 is 5t. Here, 20t divided by 5 would be 4t times 1 is 4t. And here, 20t divided by t is just 20 times 1, still 20. Right now I've got rid of the fractions. This is just a regular old equation. This isn't a rational equation anymore. It's one with whole numbers. Add these together, we get 9t equals 20. Divide both sides by 9, and we get t equals 20 over 9, done. This one here, I'm going to add a step to avoid problems, and that step is going to be that I want to write these as their own fractions. X over 4 plus 2 over 4 minus x over 5, and then minus a negative 1 is plus 1 over 5 equals 15. Okay. Many people have trouble when they multiply here remembering to do the distributive property. So if you break it up into simple fractions like this, it becomes a little bit easier. Now what do I need to multiply by here? I need to multiply by 4 to get rid of that, which will also get rid of that, and 5 to get rid of both of those. So 20 will work again. When I multiply 20 by this, I divide by 4, which is 5, times x. 20 divided by 4 is 5, times 2 is 10. 20 divided by 5 is 4, times negative x is minus 4x. 20 divided by 5 is 4, so plus 4. And then 20 divided by 15. I don't need to cancel out any fraction there, but if I don't multiply each of these by the number, then I've thrown off the balance of the equation. So 20 times 15 is 300. Now we have a regular equation, no more fractions, so we would solve this by combining these. This is x plus 10 plus 4 is plus 14 equals 300. Subtract 14 from both sides, and we get x is equal to 286. I think I did that right. I sure hope so. Check my work, please. This one here is closer to the first one. We've got a divided by 2, a divided by x, and a divided by 3. So we're going to have to multiply by the 2, by the 3, and by the x. That's 6x. And then just distribute. 6x divided by 2 is 3x times 1. 6x divided by x is 6 times 2 is 12. 6x divided by 3 is 2x times 1. And then 6x divided by x is 6 times 3 is 18. Equation's gone. Subtract 2x from both sides, we get x. Subtract 12 from both sides, we get 6. Easy as that. We'll move on to the difficult ones or the new ones in the next video.